We're more concerned with our students having a passion for illustration and wanting to communicate in their own way. Here at USW on BA Illustration, we see illustration as much more than just a pretty image on a page or on a screen. We like to see illustration as something that can communicate, that can educate, that can inform people. We're in the centre of Cardiff. There's fantastic opportunities that we use, like going to Cardiff Museum, going down the bay. We use the environment around us as part of our classroom and part of our teaching experience. We've got a full Mac suite, which has all the Adobe software. We've got a risograph printer. We've also got a life drawing studio, working with the local industry, very much embedded in the course across Cardiff. We work with Cloth Cut Animation, German Custard Animation, the National Museum of Wales, companies in London as well. We've got students who are freelance illustrators within design agencies, as art workers, colorists on comic books. Illustration is a great subject to study if you want to experience creativity in all different formats.